the stablecoin. A lot of you ask about why are we launching a new token if we already have this WeCoin token. So yeah, remember that the liquidity that we have for the token, for the WeCoin token, is a liquidity that comes from sales of an apartment here in our platform, Wizet.io, Wizet.app. Each sale of the platform gives liquidity to the token. In order to have a fastest way to get liquidity, we need to go in another way. So that's why we are launching the new token, this stable coin that the name is WeStable. Okay, so with this token, it's okay because I think I froze here.
It looks good.
It looks good. Okay, so this stable token will have a lot of utility also with WeCoin. Both are going to work together on the platform, but the stable token will give us liquidity for the WeCoin. So as a stable, this token won't change value over time, but WeCoin will. So we want to increase the reserve of liquidity for the WeCoin token, and that's why we are launching the token of WeStable. Okay, then we are going to do the next thing that we are going to do this week are the raffles. The raffles are Web3 raffles that we are going to use your MetaMask to buy just a ticket. After you buy a ticket, you will see the raffle, how does it run, and also how many tickets there are, because this is over the blockchain, so it is very clear, the process. And you will be able to see how many people is bidding for the prize, and then how much time we have to finish the raffle. So this is the other thing that we are just about to launch this week, okay? And well, other latest news that you know, we won the prize of the best startup technology for real estate last week in Mexico City. And well, we are very glad about to have this this award, and this opens a lot of different other resources. For example, last week we were talking with 5 different big companies, developers. They want to work with Wizet in order to have their property sell on the platform. They want us to sell the technology to them. So we work as a blockchain as a service with Wizet. Every property that they sell on with our technology, we also gets liquidity to the token. So now we are open much more easier the way to sell properties with another developers. Okay, so that will increase the sales and the liquidity on the project. So I would like to open the mic. If you have some questions, please, now is the moment. All the weekend, I see some people with some questions, you don't know, some next steps. So now it's time to ask everything you need. Okay, so the first question is, yeah, hello. Come on, go ahead. ¿Sí me puedes ver ahí?
Sí.
Es que acá yo no aparezco. Si me trago la computadora.
There's questions in the chat.
Huh?
There's questions
Yeah.
in Telegram.
Can you answer, because I can see my computer?
Okay, well, one of them is, when are you doing the 100 million token buyback, like you said?
It's already done. Yeah, guys, it's already done. Check the blockchain. Check the blockchain and check how much. There's 5 billion tokens there, and then we take out 1% for top P. So check it out.
Okay, do you need me to read you the other questions?
Yeah, no, just let me connect. Telegram. Okay. Yeah. Can you see me there on the video?
Yep.
Sí. Pues aquí está congelado, pero ya está bien. Okay. Oh, excellent. Okay, so next question is, that is Binance Smart Chain as usual. Now, I mean, there is a delay on the launch of the token, and I'm gonna tell you why, because a lot of people want also this to be very fast, but this needs to be very careful. And talking about code, we need to be 100% sure that the code is okay. So now, once Rob did the code, we are checking the code with our devs to see if this code is 100% correct and clear. Okay, so we are now on that, and then I think we are going to launch it. Maybe it could be in Ethereum or Binance. We don't know yet, but we will let you know. Then, where are you doing the 100 million token buyback? We already say it. Pablo Escobar, can we do a pools for Wico where the community will add the liquidity pool and they will get this stable token as reward? Yes, Pablo. And I've been working in something that also we can do as a community, and that's something that I want you to think about this in this week. We can do a DAO for getting these rewards and for getting vote on the WeCoin and the WeSet project. So all of you that gets take these WeCoins and take it to the pool, to the liquidity pool, they will get tokens also as reward, but also voting tokens. Okay. So we are working on this idea, and we will let you know, because we want you to have a vote, but you need to be committed with the project. And the way to be committed is to take your WeCoins and put it in the liquidity. Okay, so yes, that's a good idea to do. I don't get the point for the function of the stablecoin. It is for every transaction that we set apps. Yeah. Look, both tokens will have utility on the app of WeSet. Okay. For example, if you have both tokens, and also there will be liquidity pools and there will be also staking, you will have better rates on the project. You will be able to pay also with these tokens for the fractional properties. Okay, so also we are going to implement the swap properties. So if you want to swap the properties, you need to have both tokens to do it. And there's a lot of utilities on this, but we are gradually developing. Okay.
So Nadim, am I on the microphone? Can you hear me? Just to confirm, could we say that the stablecoin works in tandem with WeCoin, but at the same time, it has the same functionalities in terms of the utility, the governance, and the ability to buy real estate? The same functionalities as WeCoin. The only difference is that it's a stablecoin.
No, so.
A ver, chécale ahí a ver si seguimos sin sonido. Hello, hello, hello.
No, so.
Are you? Okay, guys. Okay, can you hear us? Yes. Yes? Okay. So now you can hear us. Let us know on the chat if you can hear us. Okay. That's better, right? Yeah. Okay, I think that we have some again. Bájale para que nos escuche. Okay, so the next, now that you can hear us, you can also start sharing the different questions, please.
But can we just go back to the last one? Can I be heard on the microphone right now?
Yeah.
So, Nadim, could we say that the stablecoin has the same functionalities as WeCoin in terms of governance, staking rewards, and utility? The only difference is that the price is stable?
Yeah, the price is stable, and we will have both utilities when you mix them. Okay, so there's an extra utility when you have these two tokens on the platform. Okay, so people that also want just to have the stable coin with no difference on the future, but also if you have a stable coin and you have the WeCoins, you will be able to have different properties, different utilities, different way to monetize on the platform. Okay. Okay, guys, so this week we are launching the raffle. So for all of you that doesn't understand what it is, basically we are having this fraction of a property about average $5,000 cost of this property, and we are going to sell $100 tickets in order to make a raffle, and the winner gets the fractional property with a $5,000 value. Okay, they can use it, they can rent it and get the reward of the renting of this property that this is right now on Airbnb. And you have seen the video that Jeff and I have a record. And also you can have, you can resell this fractional property. You can resell it, or you can just rent it or use it. Okay, so just by paying $100 for each ticket, you are in this raffle. It will be very easy. We are going to use MetaMask to connect to this Web3 raffle. This is also a software that we implement with devs did all this together. And the way that you are going to buy the tickets is easily connecting your MetaMask and then buying $100 ticket and then just waiting for the raffle to start. After the raffle finish, automatically we'll find a winner and transfer the NFT to this new winner. Okay. So also there's a lot of different prices for all the other guys, not just the first place. But we want to see if this is interested in the community, because if this interesting in the community, we can do more stuff with the different things on the community that we have. So right now, those are the things that we are doing right now. The other one is like the stablecoin, but we are not releasing until we are 100% ready, 100% sure that the code is okay and that the outcome will be a good outcome, okay? And the third topic is like, remember that we just won the prize of best startup technology in Mexico City last week. And this week we have a bunch of different companies that open their eyes and they shows a lot of interest in the company. So we are moving forward. Remember, this is a long project. This is not just a pump and dump token that we don't want to be like that. And also, let me share something to you. The last week, there was some investors that they decided to sell the tokens, and we don't, I mean, we respect all of you to do everything you want. If you want to sell, if you want to buy, if you want to hold, it is on you. But if you really share our vision, what we think that will happen in the future with this company, you should wait to the end, because we are going with a very, very solid project, and we are just working a lot to do this. And each week we are improving from the last one. So it is a matter of patience. It's a matter of you also believe in the project, believe in us. And I think that we have shown you some and a lot of improvements on those in this month that we have just launched the token, because it's like 5 weeks from now that we launched the token. And you can see the results not in the cost of the token right now, because the token went up to 700 market cap, and now we are about 220. We are doing this for a long period of time. So we know that we are walking with firm steps, and this will give us a lot of benefits in the future. Okay, so hold on, guys. Any other question you have, please?
There's some in YouTube.
Yeah. I can go for the staking feature from Wico. Excellent. Me neither. Have you tried proposing partnership with other old and quite large tokens such as FEG, EGG, Bitroy, SafeMoon, or Shiba? Yeah, we are in communication with Baby Dutch. This community, I mean, the process is not simple. It's a long process. We started with them. We filled the form, etc. There's another thing that we have. There is the token is listed in a CAX. This CAX, the name is Torpy. We have on CoinGecko another valuation, okay? And you ask on the Telegram, why CoinMarketCap has a different valuation on CoinGecko? Well, the answer is because CoinGecko is getting Torpy and PancakeSwap process of selling, and it's getting the average of sales, something like that. I am talking with Torpy to fix this, okay? Because this is a problem from the platform, because it's showing another price that it is not the real price. But we also are in the first CAX besides the PancakeSwap, okay? So that's a good thing. Also, we are increasing people from the members of the community. Right now we are like 1,700 members. I mean, there's a lot of bots that we cannot do anything about that. But if you detect some bot, let us know in order to take them out. Well, guys, if you have another question, please let me know.
Did you see the one more by Dinosaur? To those who have participated in Telegram?
No. To those who have participated, special promotion in which table, example, sir, of investor bought 100 worth of Bitcoin, investor will airdrop 150 worth of stable, right? Yes, as we say, when we have this stable coin ready to launch, we have the addresses who did this on time, and we keep the weak coin also, and we will send them the airdrop of this stable token. And in YouTube, how much the bonus 116 stable coins for those who bought week of 24 since announcement? It is the same question. It is the same question, Ivan. You will receive this extra airdrop from us. How to get more people into this ecology? Well, this is something that you need to help us to do, because we are growing organically, and now we are starting to see with some marketing. So that's another question. When marketing start? We are starting with marketing, yeah, but we are trying. I mean, we will start with this token and the launch of the stable token with the marketing also. So anything else that you do for the company helps, for the token helps. Bring people, bring friends, share the people, share other media. There's just like 10 different guys very committed with WeCoin. We don't pay anything to them. They do it because they are investors and they believe in the project. So be like them. Just be like them. Believe in this, and you will increase your investment in the future. And that's it. Okay, guys. I think that's all of the questions. Anything else, you let us know. And we are here to bring. Okay, are you in talk with other SECs already? Yes. Right now, as a matter of fact, I am talking with Juliana from CoinStore. Okay, so we are talking with CoinStore to be like the next one, if we can just find a way to do it. But right now we are focused on Ruffle stablecoin, so we can just get bigger on this. Okay, guys. Will there be like a whale group for whale who owns like minimum of 5% of the supply, for example? And will there be any privilege, for example, who owns 1% supply can be board member, perhaps? Yeah, Ivan, it's something that I just share with you. Like, what about to make a DAO with both, so you can get your WeCoins and stake them in liquidity pools and receive a token for voting in the DAO. So that will be implemented in a short time. but we have in mind, and that's one of the next topics we want to solve. Okay, guys, we love to talk with you. We love to be in touch with you. Anything else you want to share, Jeff?
Probably I'm most stoked about our raffle. We've got super cool technology to do this. It's super transparent and super secure on the blockchain. And I think we're pretty much the first to do it. What do you think? To develop this type of technology. So it's also a great way for us to grow. It's a great way to involve the community and to grow the project. And I think moving forward, we'll be able to do several raffles.
Yeah, and we need you to support us on these, guys, because I mean, as low as $100, and you have the probability to win this 5,000 NFT with real estate backed. I mean, this is a huge opportunity. So let's support this initiative, and let's see what else can bring in the future. Thank you very much, guys, for this time. We'll be here, and anything else you want to ask, please do it on the Telegram chat.
Cheers.
Bye.